Welcome. We've all heard claims about reversing aging, but what does the science actually say? This isn't about finding a mythical fountain of youth. Instead, we'll explore the concept of biological age versus chronological age and focus on extending your health span, the years you live in good health and full function. We'll cover practical, evidence-based strategies you can start using today to add more vibrant life to your years. You have two ages. Your chronological age is simple, it's the number of birthdays you've had. Your biological age, however, reflects the health and function of your cells and tissues, making it a much more accurate predictor of your overall health. While genetics play a role, your biological age is heavily influenced by your daily habits and environment, which means you have significant power to change it for the better. One of the primary drivers of aging at a cellular level is chronic, low-grade inflammation. The food you eat can either fuel this fire or help extinguish it. An anti-inflammatory diet, rich in antioxidants from colorful plants and healthy omega-3 fats, helps protect your cells from damage. The key is to prioritize whole, natural foods while minimizing processed items, especially those high in sugar and refined carbs. It might sound counterintuitive, but eating slightly less can actually help your cells live longer. When your body isn't constantly processing food, it activates a powerful cellular cleanup process called autophagy. Think of it as your internal recycling program, breaking down and removing old, damaged cell parts. This process is crucial for rejuvenation and can be encouraged through mindful portion control or structured eating patterns. If your cells are tiny engines, your mitochondria are the power plants. As we age, their efficiency declines, leading to lower energy and cellular decline. Exercise is one of the most potent ways to build more and better mitochondria. A balanced routine is key. Cardiovascular exercise improves their efficiency, while strength training builds metabolically active muscle that houses these power plants. After age 30, we begin to lose muscle mass in a process called sarcopenia. This is significant because muscle is your metabolic armor. It helps regulate blood sugar, supports your skeletal system, and keeps your metabolism humming. Resistance training is the single most effective way to combat this loss, preserving your strength, protecting your bones, and ensuring you remain physically capable and resilient for decades to come. Sleep is not a luxury, it is a non-negotiable biological necessity for rejuvenation. During deep sleep, your brain flushes out metabolic waste products that accumulate during the day. Your body repairs tissues, regulates crucial hormones like growth hormone and cortisol, and consolidates memories. Consistently prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep is one of the most powerful anti-aging strategies available. Getting quality sleep often requires creating the right conditions. This is known as sleep hygiene. Go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends, to regulate your internal clock. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for rest, cool, dark, and quiet. Power down screens an hour before bed, as their blue light can interfere with melatonin production. A simple, relaxing routine can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Our bodies are designed to handle short-term stress, but modern life often exposes us to chronic stress, leading to constantly elevated levels of the hormone cortisol. Over time, high cortisol acts like an accelerator for aging. It breaks down healthy tissues like skin collagen and muscle, weakens your immune system, and encourages the storage of dangerous belly fat. Managing stress is not just for your mind, it's crucial for your physical longevity. So how do you tame cortisol? By intentionally activating your body's relaxation response. Practices like meditation and deep breathing have been scientifically shown to lower stress hormones and reduce inflammation. Even short walks in nature or consciously unplugging from your devices can make a profound difference. The key is to find a consistent practice that helps you shift from a state of fight or flight to rest and digest. We often focus on diet and exercise, but one of the most robust findings in longevity research is the power of social connection. Studies show that people with strong, supportive relationships live longer, healthier lives. Meaningful social bonds buffer stress, reduce inflammation, and give us a powerful sense of purpose. Loneliness, conversely, creates a chronic stress state that can be as damaging to your health as smoking. Staying young is also about your mindset. Your brain has an incredible capacity to form new connections throughout your life, a quality known as neuroplasticity. You can foster this by constantly learning and challenging yourself, whether it's picking up a new language or a complex hobby. Having a strong sense of purpose, a reason to get up in the morning, is also powerfully correlated with a longer, healthier life. The science of longevity is advancing rapidly. You may hear about exciting research into things like telomeres, the protective caps on our DNA, or senolytics, which are compounds designed to clear out old, dysfunctional cells. While this is promising, these fields are still in their infancy. For now, the most powerful tools we have are the foundational lifestyle habits we've been discussing. This might seem like a lot, but you don't have to change everything overnight. The key is to start small and build consistent habits. Pick 1 or 2 areas to focus on first. Maybe it's adding a 20-minute walk after dinner or turning off screens an hour before bed. Look for ways to stack habits, like going for a hike with a friend to combine exercise and social connection. The best plan is the one you can stick with long-term. Let's quickly recap the core pillars for extending your health span. Nourish your body with an anti-inflammatory diet. Move it with a mix of cardio and strength training. Prioritize restorative sleep every night. Actively manage your stress levels through mindfulness and recovery. And finally, nurture your social connections and keep your mind engaged. These pillars work together synergistically to lower your biological age and add more healthy, vibrant years to your life.